Hi guys, welcome to one of my favorite learning resource tools, Quizlet. Today I'll be giving a brief overview on how to use Quizlet to the best of your advantage. This source has been a go-to since middle school and continues to be an amazing resource that I will encourage any students and educators to use as it has so many benefits. To start off, we're going to go to Library right over here, and we're going to go to flashcard sets. So this is just the most recent flashcard set I've used. This was a pre-made one um, that I used to help study for my psychology test the other day. So here you can see you can just go through all the flashcards and you can just flip them right over here. And then if you scroll down, you can just see the questions and the answers. Now to the side over here, you can see this is where you can just have a study session with the flashcards, and you just quiz yourself right over here. And then if we go back, oops, we can do a learning feature, which here I did a little bit of it, as you can see right over here. And so if I just click random stuff, it gives you the answer, and it kind of is just a great resource if you're trying to quiz yourself and, learn the different questions that you need to study for, whether it's any kind of subject in school. Now you can also test yourself, and here you can make your own test. Here you see you can have as many or as little questions as you want, and then you can answer with either the term, definition, or both. You can also turn on having true or false questions, multiple choice questions, matching questions, as well as written questions. Right over here, you can play a matching game, which is awesome to just work on your quick thinking. Here you can see that the timer is just going off, and then you just click two different things and see if you can get the right answer. And then lastly, there is the Q chat, which is an AI kind of chat. Here you can just kind of text the bot and see what you need. It's pretty much just like an online tutor. You can say what kind of level you are at, and it can ask you questions, it can teach you, or you can apply your knowledge. And yeah, I just think this is a really good resource as well if you're trying to study for a test. Now moving forward, you can see that there's practice tests that you can create. So right here you can generate it, and you can either drop different files like documents, PDFs, and whatever. Or you can also just paste text right over here, and it can create a practice test for you. You can also do magic notes. I have actually used this feature before. Here I put it in my Texas history notes, and it helped create its own flashcards, which then you can go through and learn, do a test, and mix and match like we just previously saw before. There's also Expert Solutions. This is a feature that is more used for Quizlet Plus members. So I haven't really gotten to use this feature, but it's just extra answers that have been verified by experts. Here you can see there's folders and classes. So I had a little, I tried to organize over here, but I didn't. But this is just great for if, for example, my sociology class, I can divide it by different chapters and stuff like that. Or I also tried to do this, it just didn't work out, but you could do classes. And so I try to do this class, and you can invite people. So you can have a whole classroom invited to this one class on Quizlet, and you can help create different study sets to hopefully just benefit everybody in the classroom to do the best that they can. So moving forward, we have study tools. So you can upload your notes right here. This is where pretty much the same thing as Magic Notes right here. And then there's the little teach me section. You can ask it to teach you anything, or as you can see here, these are some of the study sets that I was previously studying. So I can also ask it to help me study that section. Last, you can also get homework help. I have not used this yet, but as you can see, you can search the textbooks and just put in the different codes, and it can help you with a whole bunch of homework help. And then as you see right here, you can generate the magic notes and practice tests as well. Or you can also just simply create your own flashcards. So you can transform your notes or create it from scratch. Which is another thing is if you download the app on your phone, you can take pictures, and that is also an easier way to do it, but typing it out might also be helpful. So you can describe it, have the school that you go to, the course number, and then just pretty much write your term. Right there, and then you just go to the next one, and then once you get towards the end, you just continue to add terms, and you can make it as large or as little as you would like. So also awesome. You can import different data right over here, and yeah. So I hope you were able to kind of get a quick glimpse of how Quizlet can be used best to your advantage, and just a quick overview of how to use it. I hope that you get to use this resource. This version that I just showed you is all free. So again, there is Quizlet Plus, but I think the free version within itself is already such a great resource that could be used in all classrooms of different ages, from literally kindergarten all the way up through college. Hope everyone has a great day, and yeah.